How to create the room of your dreams. You can grab your favorite notebook or you can pick up our Room Design Workbook, which has everything you need to design the room of your dreams. First things first, you need to decide what is going to be the mood of that room. You've got a ton of options here. So for this particular space, I decided I wanted it to be spa-like and romantic. Then next, you're going to come up with your design plan, and that involves deciding what room you're trying to make over, your budget, the room size, what style you're going for, and then the fun part begins. This is a place for you to put your patterns, so you can add a little texture there, your color palette, and then also some materials that you like. And then next, you are going to start brainstorming that room. What is the purpose of the room function? What do you do in that room? And then you're going to start to put your ideas and inspiration here. So as you can see, I've got a lot of photos here that really inspire me to be able to make the room look like I want it to look. And then next up is the scope of work. So this is where you're really going to break some things down. You can add some photos here for inspiration. Then you're going to put what furniture you need, the lighting and accessories, paint and textiles. And then at the bottom, you've got your action items, what you need to purchase and the cost of those items. And then we've got our room assessment. So what works in the room currently, what is to be fixed, okay, what items to reuse, what items to donate, DIY projects, and what you need to outsource. Here's where you'll put all of the room dimensions. And then here is the space plan. Now, if you're not an artist, no worries, just do the best that you can. You want to really map the space out so that you could see where each item is going to be placed in the room. This is a great place if you want to outsource some things, so that way you can start to gather your quotes. Your project estimate, of course, all of the items that you're going to need, the start date, the end date, of course, that same budget, and what the space is. And then this is your project to-do list. So what are all the tasks that you need to complete? If you're planning on doing some DIY projects, these are the pages to map that out. Here's your inventory list, your shopping list, and then lastly, you're going to put your after photos here and your thoughts about the space that you just designed. So once you complete all the pages in that workbook, you'll have it to keep for reference. And then you'll also have, if you've done it exactly according to plan, a beautiful space that you designed.